Hello students, today I am back with another topic, that is comprehension practice. Very important topic for you all from now childhood till your young age when you have to appear in the exams for your jobs and services and career. So first of all, let me tell you what is comprehension practice known as in your simple language. Dear students, we also call it unseen passage. Today, I am going to explain how to solve an unseen passage. Before telling you how to solve, let us understand why is it called unseen passage. Dear students, because we have to read a passage that we have never read earlier. This is why it is called unseen, because you are going to read it for the very first time. Then after reading the paragraph, we have to answer the questions that are given below that passage. These questions may be in the form of question answers, maybe in the form of give one word answer, maybe in the form of fill in the blanks to complete the sentence, maybe in the form of tick the correct or give the opposites, give the meaning. That total aim of these questions is to test your ability of understanding a paragraph, that how much you have understood about the text after reading it. Now we'll understand that what skills we need to comprehend a passage. The main skills which we need to comprehend a passage are decoding and fluency and vocabulary. Dear students, decoding means to read the hard words, to read the sentence and then try to find out the simple meaning of it. Then ability to connect the ideas within and between the sentences and this skill helps the student understand the whole text. So this is again a very good point that we learn from this comprehension. Then reading aloud and talking about the experiences can help the students to build the reading skills. So again you will be benefited, you will develop your reading skill and also understanding the text. And the most important point you will be able to understand is answering the questions based on the text. And this will help you to check your understanding of the text or passage. So now we have understood that it is very important to learn this skill. Now finally it's the time to discuss how to solve the unseen passage. So dear students, I'll be only discussing the key points here. First point is read the questions, then read the text very carefully and peacefully with full concentration. Then mark the relevant, means important information. Then summarize the meaning of the text. And then search for the answers in the text. And then finally, you have to answer the questions. This should be your pattern of solving an unseen passage. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you have found this useful, and wait till I post the next video. Thank you once again for watching.